Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kefir Dr. Berg easy method. Start by using whole milk and fresh kefir grains and keep equipment clean. Warm the milk slightly, around body temperature, to help grains activate. Place grains in a glass jar, cover loosely, and let sit undisturbed until thickened. Strain gently with a plastic or stainless steel sieve, then save grains for the next batch and refrigerate the kefir to slow fermentation. In this video, I will show how to make Kefir Dr. Berg easy method. Monitor the flavor as it ferments and taste at intervals to reach your preferred tang. If your kitchen is cool, allow extra time, and if warm, check earlier to avoid oversouring. Use a breathable cover like a coffee filter to keep contaminants out while allowing gases to escape. Write down timing once you find your perfect schedule for consistent results. In this video, I will show how to make Kefir Dr. Berg easy method. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try darn tough for unmatched comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect while you wait for kefir to ferment. If you like practical, long-lasting gear like that, hit subscribe and like so you don't miss more useful tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Kefir Dr. Berg easy method. If your kefir tastes off, check milk freshness and cleanliness of jars first. Weak grains often recover after a few consecutive feedings with whole milk. Avoid metallic utensils and prolonged refrigeration of active grains. For thicker kefir, ferment longer or strain more whey, and for a lighter drink, shorten fermentation or add a splash of fresh milk before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.